Hi guys, today we're going to be speaking about photosynthesis. So, what is photosynthesis? Well, it is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose and other organic compounds. This process is essential for life on Earth as it provides the basis for all food chains and oxygen production. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll molecules in the plant cells capture light energy from the sun and use it to power a series of chemical reactions that convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. The process occurs in two stages: the light dependent reactions and the light independent reactions. The two stages of photosynthesis. The light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions are also known as the Calvin cycle. During the light-dependent reactions, light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll and used to create ATP and NADPH, which are energy-rich molecules that fuel the light-independent reactions. These reactions take place in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast and require sunlight to occur. In the light-independent reactions, carbon dioxide is fixed into organic molecules that use the energy from ATP and NADPH produced during the light-dependent reactions. These processes take place in the stroma of the chloroplast and do not require sunlight. Let's talk about light-dependent reactions. During the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis, chlorophyll absorbs light energy and converts it into the chemical energy in form of ATP and NADPH. This process takes place in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplasts. Photostems 1 and 2 are involved in this process, with photostem 2 being responsible for capturing light energy and transferring it to photostem 1. The electrons released during this process are used to create a proton gradient, which is used to generate ATP through a process called chemiosmosis. Now, the light-independent reactions of photosynthesis, also known as the Calvin cycle, occur in the stroma of chloroplasts and involve a series of complex chemical reactions that convert carbon dioxide into glucose. During this process, ATP and NADPH produced during the light-dependent reactions are used to power the conversion of carbon dioxide into organic compounds. The key enzyme involved in this process is called rubisco, which helps to fix carbon dioxide into organic molecule that can be used to build glucose. Now, what factors affect photosynthesis? Well, photosynthesis is a complex process, as we've seen, that can be influenced by a variety of factors. One of the most important factors is light intensity. Plants require a certain amount of light energy in order to carry out photosynthesis effectively. If light intensity is too low, the rate of photosynthesis will decrease. On the other hand, if the light intensity is too high, it can damage the plant's chloroplast and reduce the efficiency of photosynthesis. Another factor that can affect photosynthesis is temperature. Plants have an optimal temperature range for photosynthesis, and if the temperature falls outside of this range, the rate of photosynthesis will decrease. For example, if the temperature is too cold, the enzymes involved in photosynthesis may not function properly. Conversely, if the temperature is too hot, the plant may experience heat stress and become damaged. Now, why is photosynthesis important? Well, it's an essential process that sustains life on Earth. It is responsible for producing oxygen and food for both plants and animals. Without photosynthesis, life as we know would not be possible. In addition to producing oxygen and food, photosynthesis plays a crucial role in carbon dioxide in the carbon cycle. During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and convert it into organic compounds. This helps to regulate the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which is important for maintaining a healthy climate. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope you enjoyed learning about photosynthesis.